how to check your balance on WeCash application. Are you guys facing issue to check your balance on WeCash? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To check how much money you have earned on WeCash application, just simply head over to the WeCash app. Once you open the app, just simply log into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you can see this balance at the top of your right screen, where you can see this balance over here, 1515. That's the balance that you have on this WeCash application. Whereas $10, $10, in order to earn $10, you need to make almost 50,000 balance at these points. And that's it, guys. That's how I'm going to check your balance on WeCash application. If you guys have any issues regarding it, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.